All right, what's going on? So my name is Rob, and I created this program called Get Addicted to Success, otherwise known as GATS. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install GATS on a Windows 11 computer. So GATS is a Java-based desktop application that can run on Windows, Mac, and Linux. All you have to do is install Java on your computer, and then GATS can run through Java. So let's get started. We're going to download the software in a minute, but first, let's create a folder to put it in. Let's say your name is Rob. We'll make a folder called GATS_Rob in the current users folder. So, using Windows Explorer, let's find the user folder, which is right here for me. Okay, and then in the right panel, we're going to right-click and choose New Folder. I'm going to type GATS_Rob in capitals. Okay, there we go. Now, you could make this folder be anywhere on your computer. All you got to do is remember where it is. Okay, next step is to download the software. So we go to getaddictedtosuccess.com/install. And since we're on a Windows 11 machine, we should download the file called gatsjavawin.zip. So we right-click the file, save link as, and we're going to put it in the folder we just made. So that's right here. So save. Okay. Now we have to unzip the software. So close the browser window, go back here, find the folder that we were just in, which is this guy, and it's in GATS_Rob. So now we right click, go extract all. Now the extractor wants to put it in a file that matches the name of the zip, but we don't have to do that. So I'm just going to backspace a bit here and click extract. So now you see the GATS files are ready to go. This file here is the installation guide. You can read that now if you want, or you can just keep watching the video. So next step is we're going to install Java. But first, we should see if Java is already installed. So we're going to open up this computer's terminal, which is called the command prompt. So down in search, type CMD, and it should show you where command prompt is. It's right here. Okay, so click that. Now, in the command prompt, we're going to type Java -version, and you see here that Java is not installed, so we do have to install it, and that's very easy. Okay. If you see something like this is a screenshot from before, so if you see something like that, then Java is installed. Okay, but it's not, so we're going to install it right now. So bring up your browser. GATS needs Java version 11 or higher, but we're going to install Java 22, which is much newer than Java 11. So in the browser, we're going to go to openlogic.com/openjdk/downloads. Scroll down a bit. We're going to choose 22. Going to choose Windows 64-bit. If your computer is 64-bit, choose JRE. And for the download type, we're going to choose MSI. You can see that Java is downloading right now. Okay, so it's downloaded. Now we're going to click this file to run it. Click OK to this. And click Next. Accept the terms of the license agreement. Click Next. Now here you want to make sure that you click this to set the Java home variable and click Will be installed on local hard drive. and go next. Press install. Click yes. Okay, we're done, so click finish. Now I can close the browser. And we're going to confirm that Java is indeed installed. So we're going to go back to the command prompt that we had before. I'm going to type Java space dash version. And we see that Java version 22 is in fact installed. Okay. So now the only last thing to do is to create a desktop shortcut, and here's how we do it. So we're going to navigate to that folder that we installed GATS in, find the batch file. It's called GATS, Windows batch file right here. Right click, we go to show more options, and we're going to go send to desktop, create desktop shortcut. Okay. Now that shortcut is right here, so let's rename it to be GATS _ Rob. And if you want, you can go properties, change icon, and let's make it be the tree icon. Apply. Okay, so this is the thing that you will use to run GATS from now on. Okay, so you can double click this, and Windows has a warning for you. That's okay. Click more info, click run anyway. And you see that GATS is working. So you can do this, do that. And there we have some categories, we have some tasks, it's working. Okay, so here we are. The program is up and running. Thanks for watching, and I hope GATS improves your life as much as it's improved mine. Okay, cheers. Take care.